Yeah, I mean that's the thing about coming in as summer holidays. At least everything will be open. Although it looks like it's going to be busy.
Got my cereal.
How much was that?
£60.97. Lovely, thank you.
I like this floor. It's nice and spongy.
Oh, yeah. That looks good.
That looks really good. Go on then. Oh my god, that was quick, wasn't it? Did it not fit in there? Where are you going to go now? So many things to do here.
Go, Minnie, go.
They really skim, don't they?
It doesn't go as big splash.
Look at that. That's quite good fun though, doesn't it? Oh, a dino escape. Nice and scary, didn't they? your shoes on.
No, I've got all of these socks.
You eating your sausage? Sausage and chips. Lovely. And Mummy got a burger. No, you didn't get a burger, you got cheesy chips. Cheesy chips, look at that. Thanks for standing right in front of me.
Isn't it? Little slide.
What's that? Jungle Splash. There you go. They got a full-on waterfall over there. Have a look at that whirlpool, Zack. Look, have a look at that. Look at that big drain, look. Go and have a look at that. Wow.
Get that one, Lino. Sunbathing over there. No, no.
What was that? That is what I call a play park. Look at that play park, Zack. It's huge. Come here. There's a ladder there. Try that. Castle.
Zack, if you get lost, Mummy and Daddy.
Oh, you're gonna keep. There he is.
Isn't it?
Oh, we got a dragon. That's cool.
Mummy, put your arm this on this.
Oh,
This way.
I think. What's the rat over there? Zack? Zacky! Zack, look up! Look up! Hello. Oh yeah. Right, go right this time. There we go. Way.
You're going to end up going up that hill. Go on, Zack. Where are you going now? Well, you're going to have to balance this bit. Can you do that? Or do you want to hold my hand? Oh, you're doing it. You're doing it. Go on then.
Straight on.
I'm not watching. Go on, sorry. Oh, isn't it? I think this has got the edge over the over Spark Park because remember we was at Drusilla's the other day. We had to pay £3 each to get into the Spark Park.
It's not as good as this.
And this was included in the price.
Yeah.
And
It smells
yeah, I mean
like
the projections aren't as good. There is only one projection screen, but how many do you need? I think that's enough really. And then they've got this really cool indoor play park. Yeah, just really good wood and tree effects. I like the they got a campfire over there. It's really cool. Yeah, I think this is good, isn't it?
Yeah, and especially the little. Everything's made of wood.
Yeah.
Even the carving of the village over there.
Wow. I do like the lighting in here. Zack, go on then, keep going.
Daddy,
Yes.
what that smells like?
It's wood. It's the smell of the wood. Yeah, it was really busy in here this morning because this is really close to the entrance to the park. So I think everybody came in here first. It's like, was it 2 o'clock in the afternoon now? It's absolutely really, really quiet.
I think everyone's at the splash pad.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Is that no feet then? Zack, did you have a good?
Yeah.
Did you have a nice time at Knockhatch?
Yeah.
What was your favourite thing?
I like
you did?
mac and cheese.
What was your favourite thing?
I like it.
What one?
Dinosaur soft play.
Yeah. I didn't know
That
it.
was good, wasn't it? What about the castle play area?
Yeah.